Hello, everyone. I am Lily from Alpha Surveying. Alpha Me USV is now officially on sale. Today, I will bring you its unboxing video. It is really light. The whole boat weighs only 11 kilograms without batteries and only 15 kilograms with batteries. The size is also small, with a length of 80 centimeters from bow to stern, a width of 40 centimeters, and a height of 23 centimeters. It can be easily carried with one hand, which is very suitable for single-person operations. Next, I will introduce the overall structure of this USV to you. The hydrodynamic design of Alpha Me USV effectively reduces water flow resistance, has good water-cutting performance, and moves freely. The USV is equipped with an integrated RTK, single-beam, millimeter-wave radar obstacle avoidance, high-definition imaging, and intelligent ship control system. It is equipped with a high-performance lithium battery that can be easily disassembled at an economic speed. A single battery can operate for up to 6 hours. Equipped with millimeter-wave radar obstacle avoidance and single-beam depth sounder as standard, the millimeter-wave radar can achieve 40 meters. Obstacle avoidance perception. Slow down within 10 meters and automatically bypass. Standard high-definition camera, optional dual-axis gimbal camera, or 3-axis 360 camera. Dual professional aviation antennas, more accurate positioning and orientation. Alpha Me USV. 56 inserts are pre-embedded in the hull, supporting expansion of the deck, side, tail, and bottom of the ship, and can be customized according to the needs of different industries. Alpha Surveying was the first to introduce the quick detachable propeller design into the field of USV and has been continuously iterating and upgrading. Alpha Me comes standard with a special dual-duct high-power propeller, which users can quickly disassemble and replace on site to solve a series of problems caused by propeller entanglement. In addition, it comes standard with a 5.5-inch multifunction remote control with a screen and built-in Android integrated ship control software. Two 2.4 GHz fiberglass antennas, one 430 to 450 MHz fiberglass antenna. All accessories fit neatly into the rugged case for quick deployment, transit, and field work, so operations made effortless. Alright, that's it for the unboxing of the Alpha Me USV. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.